What's happening? This Keenan in the smoke with Keenan. I'm about to show you how to make a quick little sandwich at work. Check it. Get you about a tablespoon of butter, smear it around the bowl. Crack an egg in there. Season it up. A little scramble. Put some little pieces of whatever protein you like or leave it out. Cover it with your favorite cheese. Cover it with a wet paper towel. Microwave for 2.5 minutes. While that's doing that, toast up some bread. After 2.5 minutes, let it cool. Take this bad boy out. Yeah. After that, eat and enjoy. For more tips and recipes, check me out on YouTube, In the Smoke with Keenan.